The use of simple interest and trade discount has many benefits in business. Among them, simple interest can benefit the borrower more than compound interest, as it keeps the overall interest payment lower. Car loans and retailer installment loans are examples of simple interest. Besides that, trade discount can also increase sales while increasing profits, saving money and managing inventory. How do we use these two methods correctly? Let's follow the procedure in the next video.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amar. I'm going to tell you about simple interest. Introduction. Interest mean interest is the cost of borrowing money, typically expressed as a percentage. It amounts to a fee or extra charge the borrower pays the lender for the finance sum. Simple interest mean simple interest is a quick and easy method of calculating the interest charge on a loan. Problem statement. For example, assume you have a car loan for Rm20,000. Your interest rate is 4%. What is the simple interest earned after 5 years?
Simple interest also has its own method, as shown in the slide I equal to PRT. I is simple interest, P is the amount of money invested or borrower is called the principal. R, the rate of interest, is the percentage for the principal that is returned as interest. The rate of interest is usually given as a percentage, and T as a time referred to the period of time in year. The principal is invested or borrower. Simple interest is based on the original principal for the entire period of loan or investment, and not. If R is an annually rate, then T must be in year. Okay, now let's see how Teacher Ila solved this problem.
Hello, Teacher Ila here. According to the question given, now I will tell you how to solve that problems, okay? The first step we must to do is to know what formula to use. So for this situation, we will use this I equal to PRT formula. Okay, so according to this formula, we need to list down all of the numbers that question given. Okay, for example, P equal to Rm20,000, R equal to 4% or 0.04. T, we have 5 years. And what we don't have here is I, which is simple interest. That means here, we want to search for simple interest. Okay, after that, we will substitute all of this number into the formula. For example, I. We don't know yet what I is, right? So, P, 20,000, in the bracket are 0.04, in the bracket also 5 years. After that, we solve it using the calculator, and also don't forget to use the board math, okay? And the total mark here will be Rm 4,000. 4,000 here mean that it was simple interest after 5 years. Okay, so right now we already answered the question given. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Roberta Adawiyah. I would like to present about conclusion of simple interest from the question in 4,000 ringgit. Formula for the simple interest is I equals to PRT. After our discussion, we can say that simple interest always works in favor of the borrower because it keeps the total cost lower than if interest was compounded. After that, we can use simple interest method in our real life, such as car loans, other consumer loans, and can get certificates of deposit and discount on early payments.
Hi, my name is Ashraf and I'm going to share about trade discount. Trade discount, also known as functional discount, is a reduction in catalog price granted by manufacturers and wholesalers to their resellers based on order volume and status, as a custom of the trade, or to reward other members of their distribution channel for performing different functions. A single trade discount is a purchase incentive provided by a goods store owner for one transaction only, while chain discount is a series of trade discount. You don't simply add up the discount to get the chain discount. You must calculate each discount individually on the new net price from the previous discount.
There are two types of the trade discount: single trade discount and chain trade discount. Formula for the single trade discount is a D equal to L times small d, where D is the trade discount amount, L is the list price, and small d is the trade discount rate. To set new price, we use NP as a net price equal L as the list price times 1 minus small d. The formula for the chain trade discount is NP equal to L times 1 minus D1 times 1 minus D2.
Statement: Mr. Ashraf, the owner of XYZ computer store, wanted to purchase a laptop gaming, but the laptop gaming with a list price of 7,500 was sold at a 15% trade discount in wholesaler X, whereas manufacturer Y sells laptop gaming with a list price of 7,500 ringgit and trade discount of 8% and 12%. Help Mr. Ashraf make a choice. Which store has a better price and why? Let's see how Shabaria solve this problem.
Hi guys, I'm Shabaria. I will teach you how to use trade discount. So in trade discount, we have two types of discount, which is single trade discount and chain trade discount. So in single trade discount, we use at wholesaler X. So wholesaler X is single lah. So the formula is 1 minus D. This are the formula of single trade discount. So after we do the formula, we have to list down the all of number at the question before, which is what is NP. The question 1 NP, right? So we don't know what is NP, and L is 7,500 and D is 50% wholesaler give to Acham, which is so after we list down this all of number, we have to substitute into the formula. NP equal to 7,500 1 minus 0.15. So after you see this the kind of question, you have to use both math first. For example, you have to do the in bracket first. You calculate this and you get yes. After you got this, you just multiply, and the final answer is okay. This is the answer that the price that the new Astaghfirullahalazim, sorry. This is the new price that wholesaler X give to Ashraf, Mr. Ashraf, the store owner, and 6,375 ringgit Malaysia. So now we want to search what manufacturer Y give to Achap pula. Chain trade discount same as before, but the difference is they give 2 times of discount. So for example, you see that I already write, they have D1 and D2 and chain discount. I'm sorry. So after we do the same thing as before, we got the answer is 670 ringgit Malaysia. 6,072 ringgit Malaysia. So after you see the all of answer that I calculate before, you see the difference, right? So for me, I think manufacturer Y give a better price rather than wholesaler X. That's all. I'm sorry for the mistake.
I am Shaira. I want to tell about conclusion trend discount. In conclusion, credit sale will increase as a result of the discount. Depending on the quantity purchased, it is provided at the time of the purchase. The ultimate goal is to generate significant sale revenue and grow it over time. Using the chain discount method is more worldwide than using a single trend discount to calculate the trend discount advantage by the store.